unfortunately, there's too many people like me who play the music full time and really care about it, but haven't gone the distance to learn the language. It's unfortunate. At least I'm aware of it. There's probably a lot of musicians who aren't even aware of it, that it's important, that the language is important. But most people playing klezmer music, and by most I mean the vast majority of people playing klezmer music, do not speak the language, which is too bad. It's a bummer. And it would be nice. I don't think that it is an attitude that has there's any negativity towards the language, but I just think that it's a task that hasn't been met by too many performers of the music, especially too many performers, and especially instrumentalists who don't sing. Very few, if any, that I've met who have learned Yiddish after the fact. It's too bad.